Hello everyone, today let me show you how to use the LB programmer for repair receiver cable damage water or loose. Let me show you. This is the iPhone 10 and without receiver cable. Look at this. Without receiver cable. Let me show you. And the face function is loose. Look at this. So yeah, the face ID is cannot work. And let me how to use the LB programmer for repair. First, we should jailbreak my phone. Look at this. And that is the finished jailbreak. And then we use the LB programmer. Look at this. And this the phone connect to the computer. And we open the LB programmer. Look at this. And we choose one, and we choose this one. And this one for the receiver cable. And then we choose this black gel bowl. Look at this. Yes, bowl now. Look at this. We can look at this. They show the message is the gel bowl successfully. So this okay. And then we use the LB programmer. So we can use this the LB iPhone 10, the receiver cable, and then we put this the cable on this, and that is the new LB programmer. If you have the old programmer, you should buy this the new M2 the model. You can use repair face problems and the receiver cable problem. Like this. We put the receiver cable on this, and then we test this gel. And if these three show green, it mean this the cable is okay. And then we return to the computer. Look at this. We can right now. So we can do this. A normal chip. Yes, it means pass. So it means we have to write the old receiver cable on the LB receiver cable. So let me show you how it works. Turn it off. And then off. Look at this. We put this cable. Then we turn on my iPhone. So let me test the face program. So get it. Yes, it is working. Look at this. Yes, Face ID is okay. Look at this, it's okay. That is very easy for you, and just use the 5 minutes for one machine to repair. Thank you very much. If you have any other question, you can contact me. Thank you.